And a Sydney Olympic 400-meter bronze medalist Dr. Gregory Horton is on a mission to build young athletes into transformational leaders through mentorship. As Gerard Morris Seeley reports, Dr. Horton made stops at Camperdown High School and Jamaica College on Friday as part of his Student Athlete Leadership Program tour.
Inspiring youth beyond their sport is the motivation for the Horton Mentoring Initiative, led by multiple Olympic and World Championship medalist Dr. Gregory Horton, who says the goal is to shape the next generation of society. The program is in its 7th year and the former national athlete is determined to leave a mark.
Young athletes to become effective leaders in their community. So even though I may focus on the message itself at Camperdown, I want the people, the principal and those out there to understand that this is bigger than just athletic itself. But what I find here is that there's a confirmation of the fact that the athletes do need the support and the guidance to be the best version of themselves.
The 2000 Sydney Games double medalist has aspirations of building a safe haven where young athletes can retreat to when their personal lives are affected.
In the home, the main criticism is taking place. So where do the athlete turn? Where do they go? And that is why it is important to me to help to create a structure that if the athlete is not getting some of the psychosocial support at home, that we can put in place a system that can help them to overcome all of those challenges.
Young athletes from Camperdown High engaged in motivational discussions and interactive mentorship sessions, along with practical leadership exercises geared towards developing personal attributes to assist in athletics, such as discipline and character. Gerard Morris Seeley for TVJ Sports.